Hello friends, in today's video, we will talk about the repotting process of the Mogra Jasmine plant. The Mogra Jasmine plant goes dormant during the winter season and its growth stops during this time. However, as soon as winter ends and spring begins, new growth starts in the Mogra Jasmine plant. This is the perfect time to repot your Mogra Jasmine plant. Before repotting, you need to prune the Mogra Jasmine plant's branches and trim its roots. This involves cutting off any branches that are very thin, diseased, or growing in an undesirable way. Only healthy and thick branches should be left to grow. The Mogra Jasmine plant needs to be pruned into a uniform shape. This will make the plant look dense and bushy when new foliage grows. All the old leaves of the Mogra Jasmine plant should also be removed. Next, remove some of the soil from the edges of the top layer to a certain depth. This will make it easier to remove the plant from the pot. Just like with the branches of the Mogra Jasmine plant, we need to perform hard pruning on the roots as well. Mogra Jasmine roots grow very quickly. The pot fills up with roots in a short time, so don't hesitate to prune the roots. Cut and remove all the roots from the sides of the root ball. This will provide sufficient space in the pot for root growth, which will boost the plant's overall growth. Friends, the soil we just removed from the pot will be spread out in the sun to dry. We don't use it immediately. We will turn it over and let it dry thoroughly. Only when it becomes completely dry and dusty will we use it again. Similarly, I dried the soil from another pot a day earlier. And now we will repot the Mogra Jasmine plant using this prepared soil. The potting mix should contain equal parts of soil, sand and coco peat. The total quantity of these three ingredients combined should be matched by an equal amount of cow dung manure. Make sure the cow dung manure is well rotted, otherwise use a smaller quantity of manure. Next, we need to add some essential fertilizers. This mixed fertilizer contains 16 essential nutrients that are particularly important during repotting. It's an excellent combination of organic and inorganic fertilizers. To order it, you can send a WhatsApp message to the number shown on the screen. We have almost all gardening products available. For repotting, I have used the same pot it was already growing in. When repotting, don't press the soil down with your hands. After adding the soil, gently shake the pot to settle the soil properly. To get a huge quantity of flowers from your Mogra Jasmine plant, you need to add some essential fertilizers at 3 stages. First, at the time of repotting, second during the growth phase, and third during the flowering period. All three of these fertilizers are available with us. After repotting and watering, place it in a location that receives full sunlight from the very first day. This will encourage new growth to start quickly. Friends, within 2 months of repotting, you will get flowering updates like this on your Mogra Jasmine plant. Simply follow the instruction in this video to repot your Mogra Jasmine plant. If you found this video useful, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.